Hi everyone, my name is Orsi, aka Rocky, and welcome to Phoenix Vocal Studio. Today I'm going to talk about actually two singers who I've accidentally found. I know I don't believe in accidents, but I found it. But this video just popped on when I was browsing on YouTube, and this was actually a few voice auditions about the incredible low notes. So I was like, oh, actually that sounds interesting. So I watched all of them and I chose two I wanted to just mention or talk about. One of them was the Mongolian voice, and I am so sorry, but I have no idea how to pronounce his name. Munkh, and the song he sang is called 16 Tones. So let's do it, and after I'm going to talk.
Some people say man is no man, a good man Muslim blue, skin and bones. A mind that's weak and a back that's wrong. Good I take some love, I want you can. And all day, all around, different day. Saying better than to go away, second good. And all my soul to the ground soul. I was born on morning when the sun is shine. I built on the shoulder to my 16 town. I'm number I'm good. I'm somebody say the word. Best my soul is 16 town. I know you can. I know they all went different there. Saying parents to call me. Cause I can go.
All right, yes. Yeah, it's actually so rare when someone can sound good in low, because most of the singers wants to sing always high, which is incredible. But when it's a low sound, it sounds good, like really nice and deep, like he has. That's so rare, and it also feels good because sometimes when you hear these notes, it's actually so low that you have no idea, like asking like, okay, where this sound's coming from, like which part of you it came from or came out. And what I love actually, the guy singing at the same time, like smiling at the same time, like, boom, boom, boom. So actually he knows exactly how amazing he sounds. And I like it because again, it's effortless. It doesn't seem like that he's really trying. It's just so effortless. And that's how actually effortless is always the key to kind of got the attention, because singing powerful is not about using your physical strength. It's about being effortless. And when people think that they need to, it just really hurt but it sounds good, no, that's not good. That's not the way to do that. When you are effortless, when you are just like that's how it's supposed to be like. It's fun. It's supposed to be fun. You need to enjoy whatever you do, because people wants to see the enjoyment, wants to feel the enjoyment. They don't want to feel your pain. They don't want to feel like, oh God, look at that. That's really hurtful. No. When you see that then they see that you are having fun. Like, oh my God, I want to have fun too. Look at that, because it's catchy. Have you been in someone's company let's say that person was really funny, they felt great, and you started to feel good as well? It's because it's catchy. The energy of someone gets the other one. So the energy, because we're all connected. So obviously we don't want to create more pain. We want to create happiness. We want to create more fun. And when you listen this is how it's supposed to be. Singing supposed to be about emotions. Obviously you can sing it out, whatever pain and sadness you have. It's okay to do that. But still, it's like, oh my God, look at that. I wanna go to his concert because I wanna feel that. It just makes me feel good. It makes me feel alive. So I'm not talking about like when you sing a song which is sad and you cannot sing that because it's sad. No. I'm talking about the physical pain. So if it's about a sad emotion or like, oh my God, yeah, heartbroken, so I want to sing it out, that's okay because that's cleansing. If you sing it out, that's cleansing. That's actually helping you to release that emotion. But when it's about, God. Yeah, that, you see, that's what I'm talking about. You don't want to die because that person has a bad singing technique. So yeah, so you want to enjoy that. So when physical pain, that's never good. Okay, so if you sing high, low, whatever, distortion, scream, and it hurts, forget it. It's not the right way to do. Okay, so this is amazing. This is actually this low, no, bang, 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 boom, bang, 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 and the way he smiles, awesome. That's really good. So I really enjoyed it. I didn't even know actually there's a voice in Mongolia. So, but I really like, for example, the Mongolian throat singing. I've been studying that for a while, and even that helped me when I using my false chord. That helps me actually work and strengthening my lower notes. So I'm not surprised that they are able to sing this low. For some reason, I would love to go to Mongolia. I don't know why, but I have a feeling for Mongolia. So if you know actually more singers like that, or interesting technique you think that I could analyze, please hit me. All right. So the other guy I chose, it's the, oh my God, I think it's the, which one is it? Maybe it's maybe, I don't know which country is that, sorry, maybe South African? Hold on, I will figure this out. No, sorry, it's Belgium. Sorry, Belgium. Yes. The song called Jealousy, and it's not really about the low sound, but the reason why I chose it, it's different. Listen it, and I will talk after.
Oh, is this toch wel spannend?
It cuts me deep, and it cuts me right. This gut rock feeling I got inside. I blame you, but it's really me. I can't rid myself of jealousy.
Druk maar af, joh.
Jealousy, thick as mud. It's in my veins. It's in my blood.
En hij staat nog steeds met zijn hand in zijn zak.
Jealousy, it's plain to see. I love you so much. Oh, it's killing me, babe. Jealousy, it's thick as mud. It's in my veins. It's in my blood. Jealousy, it's plain to see. I love you more than you love me.
Yes, this is rock singing. And it's one of the most effortless rock singing I've ever heard. The guy is standing there with the jeans, hands in the pocket, and sings it like it's the easiest thing on earth. And again, what I was talking about before, effortless. And it's coming through. He didn't do big things. He was able to translate himself into a song, and it came through. There was a tiny bit of rasp in there. Wasn't too high, so he didn't go crazy high, crazy low, but it touched me because it was pure. It came through, and obviously he's not a younger guy. I mean, not like 10 or something. He's probably maybe around 40. And sometimes we find these people who couldn't, for some reason, didn't have a chance to make as a singer maybe when they were 20. And at 40 or 50, they just come out. And it's not an accident. It's not a coincidence. It's for a good reason. Because it could be anything. It could be that maybe they weren't ready. They weren't ready. They had other tasks to do. They had to wait. They had to be more patient. And it's always a reason why we need to trust life, because they always know better. I know, trust me, I know that. I know, because I'm the same thing. I always think that I know better, but no, they know better. And they're always right. Yes, they're always right. Yes, they know exactly about timing. And this guy came here and sang it. And obviously he's a natural. Again, he's a natural because he didn't have to do any, I don't know, like technical trick to do or just prove. He went up to the stage in a jeans, in a shirt, hands on the pocket, and he sang his heart and soul out. He showed his heart, his vulnerability. He expressed, he showed who he is, who he was. That's what it's about. That's what it's about. And that's what touches us. That's what we need. More, please, more like this. I want more like this. Please, God. Beautiful. Yeah. It was a simple, So it's, again, guys, effortless. Key is effortless, and be yourself, be authentic, be who you are. Don't be afraid of showing who you really are, because that's how you can make a difference. If you show us who you are, you don't want to copy. You don't want to sound like anybody. You want to sound like you, because we want you. We want your sound. We need your sound. Yes. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Yes, so if you have any other ideas that you want me to talk about, analyze, please post below the video. If you're interested in lessons, you find the link below the video. Thank you so much for being with me and your support, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah! If you are someone who has no chance to take one-to-one lessons for any reasons, you can join our membership site, where you can get a lifetime access for audio, video exercises, instructions, explanations. And not only the exercises, you can find the audio files which you can use every single day till the rest of your life. You can ask as many questions as you want from me, from your vocal coach, about any technique, any song, any band, any singer. You find the link below the video, so you can start your training even today. Thank you very much, and see you soon.